Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's another tutorial from me to you guys. Today's tutorial is one of this Instagram trending Gele. I decided to join in this trending Gele tutorial. So what I'm doing here, I'm using Ashoki for this Gele. So guys, if today is your first time stopping by my channel, please subscribe, and when you do, remember to click on the notification bell beside the subscribe button so that you get notification anytime I upload a new video. Those of you that are here with me already, thank you guys. I love you guys. I can't stop loving you guys enough. So this Gele is very simple to tie. As you can see on the screen, just make your plate, form your plate at the beginning, the plate which I call foundational plate. Then after that, the 70 parts of the Gele, you come up with the 70 parts which you plait a little bit, then you start your fan plate. Just watch on the screen, you understand what I'm saying. This Gele is very simple and easy to tie. If you follow the procedure, you get everything that we are doing here. So now this side, I'm about to form my fan plate. My new subscribers, you are welcome to this great family. Remember, we have a lot to learn. And remember, if you have any question, don't hesitate to drop it on the comment section. And if there is any video you want me to do for you guys, do not hesitate as well to drop it. I'll be ready to do justice to your demand. So guys, as you can see, the way I'm forming the fan plate in this side of this Gele is just one-sided fan. So you have to form the fan till the end of the 70 parts. Then you just cross it over to the other side, pin it down. That is all. Pin the the 30 parts and pin the 70 parts. This Gele is ready. So as you can see on the screen, I'm done with the plating. So trying to cross the 70 parts down, then pin it. So you just have to use your pin and hold the 70 parts down together with the 30 parts to make the Gele firm. So guys, that is all for this tutorial. Then you arrange your Gele. Make sure it's standing very well. You arrange it. The only thing I forget to do in this Gele is to shift it back after tying it on my model head, but the beauty is still there. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you do, please do not hesitate to subscribe if you have not subscribed, and give me a thumbs up, share the video, and thank you for always coming back to my channel. See you in my next video. Bye.